Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to export a video in Davinci Resolve. Firstly, click on the Delivery tab in the Davinci Resolve application. Select H265 for the best quality and name your file. Click Browse to choose the export location. Ensure single clip is selected for exporting the entire video as one file, and highlight video and make sure export video is selected. Choose QuickTime as the format. Keep the codec at H265 or switch to H264 if needed. Set resolution to 1920 x 1980 or Ultra HD for 4K footage. Match the frame rate to your original footage and change the quality to restrict and set the value to 48,000 like 200 times in the frame rate. Highlight the portion you want to export from your start to the end and select Add to Render Queue and click Render to export your video. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.